So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see some of the simplification question which is very much important for your upcoming bank examination. So we will start with the first question. 40% of question mark into 4 cube minus 23 square is equal to 751. Right? So we need to follow normal method, right? 40% fraction value is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of is into question mark. 4 cube is 64 minus what is 23 square? 529 is equal to 751. This minus 529 will go there, right? So this will become 2 by 5 into question mark into 64 is equal to 529 will go there, it will become 751 plus 529. So 9 plus 1 10, this is 8 12. 2 into 64 is 128, 128 into 10 is 1280. So question mark is equal to 10 into 5. What is the answer? 50, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? Now we'll see second question. 30 into 12 plus 25% of 1200 is equal to question mark plus 120. So 30 into 12 plus 25% of 1200 is equal to question mark plus 120. Right? So first this percentage and double zero will go. 30 into 12 is nothing but 360 plus. What is 25 into 12? So 12 into 5 is 60, 60 into 5 is 300. Is equal to question mark plus 120. This is how much? 660. 660 plus 120 will come into LHS. It will become minus 120. Is equal to question mark. So question mark is equal to 0, 4, 5. So my answer is nothing but 540, which is nothing but fourth option. Fourth option is the correct answer. Clear? Now we'll see question number 3. 7 by 15 into 450 minus 24% of 450 is equal to question mark minus 118. Right? So this is how much? 30 times 30 into 7 is 210 minus. This 24% of 450 is nothing but I can divide this number by 2, I can multiply this number by 2. So this will become 12% of 900. So double 0% will go. What is 12 nines are? 108 is equal to question mark minus 118. This is how much? 210 minus 108. If you add 100, it will become 208. So plus 2. So 102. This will become plus 118 is equal to question mark. So this is how much? 218 plus 2, 220. So question mark is equal to 220, which is nothing but third option. Clear? 214 minus 144 into 15 minus 650 is equal to question mark into 25. Right? This is how much? 70 into 50 is 1050 minus 650 is equal to question mark into 25. This is 400 by 25 is equal to question mark 25 ones are 25, 15 carry 150 6 times. So question mark is equal to 16, which is nothing but fifth option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 5. 20% of 750 plus 15% of 240 is equal to question mark into 2, right? So here percentage and double zero will go, this is nothing but 150 plus 15% of 240. If I divide this number by 5, I need to multiply this number by 5, so this will be 3% of 240 into 5 is how much? 1200. Double zero percent will go, this is 36 is equal to 2 into question mark. So 186 divided by question mark is equal to 186 by 2 is equal to question mark. Question mark is equal to 93. 93 is the correct answer, which is nothing but second option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 6. 7 by 12 into 600 minus 150 is equal to question mark plus 20% of 900. Right? This is how many times? 50. 350 minus 150 is equal to question mark plus percentage and double zero will go, this is nothing but 180. Right? This is 200. Right? 200 and this is nothing but how much? Question mark plus 180. Question mark is equal to 20. 20 is not there anyway. Answer is nothing but 20. 20 is the correct answer. Clear? Question mark square is equal to 30% of 55% of 1800 plus 31 into 9. Right? This is question mark square is equal to, first this percentage and double zero will go 50. So 30% of 55 of 18 is nothing but 30 into 55% of 80. This is how much? 279. Right? What is 55% of 18? 50% of 18 is 9. 5% is nothing but how much? So this is nothing but 30 into 55% of 80 I can break this number as 50% plus 5%. 50% is what? Half, which is nothing but 9. Right? Then what is 10% of 18? 10% of it is nothing but how much? 1.8. 5% is how much? 0.9. Right? This is nothing but 0 by 10 if you divide here by 10. So this is 1.8. Right? Or we can simplify directly. Right? We can simplify directly. Right? Now we'll see question number 7. Question mark square is equal to 30% of 55% of 1800 plus 31 into 9. Right? So this is question mark square is equal to 30% of this double zero and percentage will go. This is nothing but multiplication of even and odd number. Double the odd number, half the even number. This is 110. This is 9. So this is 990 plus 279. So percentage and double zero will go. This is how much? 297 plus 279. Right? 9 7 16. This is 17.5. So question mark square is equal to 576. What is the value of question mark? Square root of 576, which is 24. 24 is the correct answer, and that is nothing but third option. Clear? 11% of question mark is equal to 22 into 15 plus 36 square minus 14 square. A square minus B square, right? Or if you know the square also it's better. So 11% of question mark is equal to, what is 22 into 15? Again multiplication of even and odd number. Double the odd number, half the even number. 22 half is 11, 15 double is 30. So 330. Plus, this is 1296 minus 196. Right? So this is 330 plus 6 minus 6, 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is how much? 0, 3, 4, 1. So 11% of question mark is this one. So 11, this is how many times? 13, 130. So what is the value of question mark? 130 into 100. 13,000. Which is nothing but first option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 9. Twelve into 19 plus 13 into 15 plus 152 is equal to question mark percent of 500. So this percentage double zero will go. This is 12 into 19 is nothing but 38 into 6, which is 228. 38 into 6 is a 48. 6 is 18 plus 4, 22. Yeah. This is how much? 13 into 15. Difference is 2. Whenever difference between the number is 2, it is nothing but middle number square minus 1 square. So between 13 and 15, what is the middle number? 14. 14 square, 196 minus 1, 195 plus 152 is equal to 5 into question mark. Add all the value. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15. 6, 15, 17, 2, 3, 5. By 5 is equal to question mark. Question mark is equal to 5 11s are 55. 5 5s are 115. Fourth option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 10. 26 square plus 18 into 35 minus 24% of 4500 is equal to question mark square minus 98. Right? This is 676. This is 17 to 9, 630. Minus percentage and double zero will go. 45 into 24 is nothing but 12 into 90. 1080 plus 98 is equal to question mark square. This is how much? 6, 10, 1306 minus, right? 1080 plus 98. So here we have to follow Bodmas rule, right? Either you add or subtract, it's up to you. If you add this number 6 plus 8, so this is 14, right? 9 plus 1, 10, 4, 1 minus 1080 is equal to question mark square. Subtract, this is 4, this is 2, this is 3 is equal to question mark square. Question mark is equal to square root of 324, which is 18. So my answer is nothing but fourth option. So I hope you have got clear idea about this 10 simplification question. We have two apps. One is TP Chennai, second is TP Chennai official. In TP Chennai, we are having online mock test series of 500 plus mock tests are available. In TP Chennai official, we are going to have recording versions of all our class where you have arithmetic, reasoning, current affairs, English, all recording classes will be there in TP Chennai official app. So please do download that TP Chennai official app and do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. Prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.